Now we have to match the picture with the words given below. The words are tusk, beak, mane, whiskers, hoof, feet, fin and paw. Let's try to match with a picture now. The first one is the picture of a lion. And the lion has a mane. जो गर्दन होती है. And it matches here. The mane. The next is क्या नजर आ रहा है हमें यहाँ पे? पाँव है. And that is called the paw. P-A-W, paw. And next one is hoof. ये किसका पाँव नजर आ रहा है हमें? It may be horse. जो उसके साइड की कवरिंग होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Hoof. Next is beak. Next is beak. B-E-A-K, beak. ये आपको नजर आ रही है beak. What you can see? Feet. आपको ये पाँव जैसे लग रहे हैं ना, तो ये किसके पाँव हैं? पहचान पा रहे हैं हम इसमें? नहीं, बट ये क्या है? Feet है. Next one is, now we can see a cat and cat has a whiskers. जो उसकी मूंछें होती हैं, जो उसके मुंह पे बाल नजर आ रहे हैं आपको, that are whiskers. And what is the next picture you can see? That is, I think it's a fish. And fish के क्या होते हैं? Fin. So we will write here fin. F-I-N. Fin. Now last picture is about a elephant, and elephant has tusk. And what are tusk? Tusk is a long pointed tooth seen in the elephants. आप ये देख रहे हैं इसके long pointed, ये क्या है? Tusk है. Tusk is a tooth that grows outward from the animal's mouth. जो बाहर की तरफ आते हैं ना उसके दांत, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Tusk. Let's write. Look at the goats in the picture and write about them. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम पिक्चर में जो हमें तस्वीर दिखाई गई है, we have to see that picture very carefully and write about them. So the first picture is about two goats. They are standing on the log of wood. Now we have to explain this. So how can we write this? Let's write. So we will read this. The two goats are standing on the wood log to cross the river. रिवर कैसे बोल रहे हैं कि आपको फोटो में क्या नजर आ रहा है? एक ब्रिज सा बना हुआ है और उसके नीचे पानी है. पानी क्या है? रिवर भी हो सकती है. तो वी हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेस समथिंग connected with water only. The two goats are standing on the wood log to cross the river. And what do we see in the second picture? अब second picture में हम क्या देख रहे हैं? The two goats are fighting. The two goats are fighting. और वो fight कहाँ कर रही है? उसी wood log के ऊपर. जो wood log था, वो जो दो बकरियां हैं उसके ऊपर लड़ रही हैं. They are fighting. So we can write now, the two goats are fighting. And what does the third picture show us? The third picture shows us that the two goats which were fighting on the wood log have, what happened? They have fallen down in the water. वो क्या है? पानी में गिर गई हैं दोनों लड़ते लड़ते. So as a result, both of them slip and fall into the water. So we will write here, as they were fighting, both of them slip and fall into the water. So we have written now, as they were fighting, both of them slip and fall into the river. Talk time. Read these words aloud, paying attention to their spellings. अब ये जो वर्ड्स दिए हम इनको पढ़ेंगे और इनकी तरफ ध्यान देंगे कि इनकी आवाज़ कैसी आ रही है और इनके मीनिंग हम जानते हैं क्या है। तो फर्स्ट वर्ड इज आई, आई, वीक, वीक, इन, in, no, no, not, not, off, off, by, are, need, see, here, eight, two. Now make sentences with each word. We have to make sentences from the words which we have read. The first word was I. We have to make sentence from I. I am a girl. I have two eyes. Now you have understood the difference between the two words I and eyes. I क्या है? I मैं. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. I have two eyes. Eyes आंखें. मेरे दो आंखें हैं. Next word was R. Our country name is India. I walk 2 hours daily. अब यहाँ पे वर्ड्स है हमारे पास R. One was OURR and the other is ours. मेरे कंट्री का नाम इंडिया है और यहाँ पे मैं 2 घंटे रोज चलता हूँ. घंटे आवर्स घंटे. There are 7 days in a week. I am weak in maths. Here weak is कमज़ोर और ये वीक क्या है? सप्ताह के दिन. You need to take care of your health. My mother needs flour every day. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? Need. ये need क्या है? ज़रूरत. और दूसरा needs क्या होता है? आटा गूंदना. Need ज़रूरत और needs आटा गूंदना. The travelers were relaxing in the inn. We had 2 words here, in and in. In अंदर और इन ये कौन सा है? जहाँ पे हम आराम करते हैं. कोई धर्मशाला, कोई होटल है, कोई पब है. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? In. Next word is no and knows. No one knows the correct answer to a difficult question. No, कोई भी नहीं. Knows जो नहीं जानता. No one knows the correct answers to a difficult questions. And we have used these words in the same sentence. Now, next word is see. Sentence is, I can see the vast sea from the top floor of my house. एक सी क्या है? देखना. दूसरा सी क्या है? समुद्र. I can see the vast sea from the top floor of my house. I ate my dinner at 8 o'clock. 8 क्या है? Time. 8 खाना. I ate my dinner at 8 o'clock today. The rest of the words you will try to make sentences of your own. Now, team time. Find out which animals live in icy cold regions. We have to find जो animals हमारे icy cold region में रहते हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं. And hot wet region, dry hot regions. We have to write the names here. Icy cold regions we have, for example, the polar bear, penguins. These are the animals which can live in very cold regions also. In hot, wet regions, we can find animals like foxes. They live there. And in dry, hot regions, we have camels, squirrels. They live in dry, hot regions. Now we can repeat the icy cold region, polar bear, penguins, and etc. Hot, wet regions, fox, snakes, lizards, and more other animals. Dry, hot regions, camels, squirrels, and more animals. I hope you have enjoyed learning today. Bye.